Boosting the digitization within the public sector with confidential container technology. Presented by enclaive.io. Public institutions are highly regulated sectors because of their valuable databases. Government agencies share a unique position when it comes to protecting data because they are responsible for safeguarding public safety and citizens' most sensitive information. This also means that the move to the cloud of a government agency is equivalent to high-risk processes with numerous vulnerabilities. On-premise infrastructure is coupled with a high maintenance cost, low efficiency, and agility, and limited scalability. Moreover, the public sector usually has little to no manpower or the necessary skills to up-level its infrastructure. Especially for public institutions, it's compelling to embrace the efficiency of the public cloud, as these government agencies have a big data workload to operate with. But before such a move can be considered, public agencies' data security is the most intense concern when moving vital workloads across the cloud. Data migration comes with high risks and numerous vulnerabilities, including incomplete data migration, corrupt or missing files, accidents, phishing, malware, or ransomware. Summing up, the most notable concerns about data security focus on the following areas. How to prevent insider or outsider threats and third parties. This includes not only those threats from malicious actors, but accidental errors made by employees, developers, and administrators at cloud service providers that could compromise data. How to ensure secure and untrusted collaboration with other institutions. And how to ensure regulatory compliance. In this context, the emerging technology of confidential computing can be used to secure citizens' data while also complying with the data privacy regulations like GDPR. In a nutshell, confidential computing is a new computing paradigm safeguarding citizens' data and sensitive data at any moment in time while it is stored, looked up, edited, or processed, remains encrypted and shielded against data breaches. Only legitimate users may access the data. By design, our data stored in any government institution is given the safest harbor. Government institutions can turn their applications into confidential applications with ease, with Enclaive's revolutionary confidential container technology. Application. Let's be practical. How can this technology benefit us as citizens? At the center of all online activities operated by the administration are the digital identity and possibility of providing evidence of who is applying for the service. Each contract agreement presumes that the contractual partners can identify themselves unequivocally and legally. Thus, a digital identity would ensure such an online identification. Such an EID function would be a major game changer within the public service sector. Users can move around the internet safely and more freely by using this so-called EID function. This would pave the way for a whole package of citizen services or bank services that could now be operated online. Or let's say, applying for services from insurance companies, issuing a new identity card, or requesting child care services online. So why should you choose Enclaive? Here are 4 benefits we provide with our confidential containers. 1. Give citizens' data the safest place. Wrapping government IT with confidential containers means deploying the highest standard of security and privacy to protect sensitive data. It is so secure that even the underlying infrastructure administrator may not access it. 2. Make data privacy a friend, not a foe. By design, data, while in use, is fully encrypted. Only legitimate endpoints may access the data in clear text. This way, confidential compute is a modern data anonymization technique, as no clear text data may be leaked. 3. Frictionless deployment. Our highly secure containers are built to work right out of the box. No changes to the application code or SDKs are required. 4. Be ready for compliance audits. How can you prove that you have taken the best efforts to protect your IT? Running your IT shielded by confidential containers allows you to audit the containers and obtain a digital certificate that sensitive data runs in confidential containers. Want to learn more? Get in touch by visiting enclaive.io and let us walk you through a demonstration of how our confidential containers can boost the digitization of your public institution.